If you're planning a party and wondering what is worth grabbing at Dollar Tree and what you should be leaving on the shelf, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how a Dollar Tree party can really be beautiful, it can be chic, and it can be budget friendly. So I'm going to tell you what I grab off the shelf and the things that I leave behind so that your next party is gorgeous and you save a couple of bucks while you're at it. So before I get started and show you the first one, I want you to know that later on in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate this photo backdrop just using Dollar Tree items. And I'm going to even show you how to make this gorgeous recipe, again, using everything from Dollar Tree. It's not about buying everything at Dollar Tree because really with the prices having gone up, not everything is a great bargain, but it's knowing exactly the right things to buy. Let me show you what I mean. The first thing I love having on hand and when I'm hosting a party are these mini square bowls here. They look like this. They are perfect for so many things. I've used them to create little veggie dip cups. They look gorgeous as little charcuterie cups, but one of my favorite things to use these for is to create little mini desserts. And I feel like it looks really expensive and really luxurious, and all you did was put everything in this little cup and it's super cute. I'm going to show you towards the end a dessert that you can make just by grabbing everything from Dollar Tree, putting it in this cup, and it's going to be gorgeous. So the next time you're at Dollar Tree, don't skip this aisle. Grab yourself a couple of these and you'll be surprised at how often you use them. These plastic containers with the gold lid are hosting gold. I found them last year. I used them for my Easter candy setup. And I also use them this winter for my hot chocolate bar. And now I have them in the guest bathroom with some bath salts in them. They are, like I said, they're gold. I just love them so much. And they look way more expensive than what they were. I think they're just so versatile that the next time you go to Dollar Tree, check out and see if your local Dollar Tree has them, because I'm willing to bet that once you buy them, you're going to find the perfect spot for them and you're going to use them over and over again. And it's only $1.75. The other thing that I love to grab from Dollar Tree when I'm planning a party are their dessert plates. They have all different kinds, all different colors. The nice thing about these is when you're using a dessert plate, it doesn't have to hold anything heavy, which I find these are perfect for. They come in so many colors, and sometimes they have some really cool, fun shaped ones that I think look really neat on a table. Sometimes when I want to stretch the budget a little bit, I will pick up solid colors from Dollar Tree and then layer them in with more expensive paper plates that I bought, let's say from HomeSense or from Mary Mary or from somewhere online. So it's just a way to really stretch that budget. And it's a great way to add some fun and visual impact without spending a lot of money. The next item that I don't want you to pass up when you go to Dollar Tree next for your party are skewers. Look, skewers are a great way to just make a tray of food look fun, and they also make it really easy for guests to pick up and eat their food without making a big mess. So these silver ones, I find them at Dollar Tree and I always have them on hand because they are perfect, especially when I'm making a cocktail. You skewer some berries or a slice of lime or something on here. They also add a little bit of bling to a fruit tray. I think they're really beautiful, and I think at $1.75, that's still a bargain. These bamboo ones are also a great bargain. I like to use them when maybe I'm doing like a bigger skewer of food, caprese bites, appetizer bites, desserts. Like these are really nice when you kind of skewer together a marshmallow, brownie, a strawberry. These are really nice. The other thing they're great for, they've doubled for me when I've done a charcuterie tray, and you can just use these, stick them in your cheese, and I write a little label so that everybody knows what kind of cheese is on the tray. So these are definitely something that you need to grab. These breadsticks are also something that's definitely worth picking up at Dollar Tree for your next party. I feel like they're a really simple and easy way to make your cheese tray or charcuterie tray look really fancy. I mean, I know they're just breadsticks, but once you put them in a glass or once you put them in a pretty tall vase, all of a sudden you've got something really special. So I think you should give these breadsticks a try. Dollar Tree candles are also a party must have. Now, not just the taper candles, they have so many gorgeous birthday candles for you to choose from, but the taper candles and votive candles really help to make your hosting centerpiece and setting the table really easy and special. One of my Joyful Hostess hacks is to take a bunch of Dollar Tree taper candles and then use varying heights of candlesticks, set them down the length of the table, and not only do you have a beautiful centerpiece, but you were able to do it for just a few dollars. So don't pass up Dollar Tree candles. And since we're talking about lighting, the next thing that I buy from Dollar Tree are their fairy lights. They are magic. They're a way to create instant ambiance with just a few dollars. So I like using them along the length of the table. You can wrap them around greenery. You can put them inside mason jars. You can use them outside. They're really so versatile. And I think for the price, you really can't beat that. Next up are these tissue pom-poms. Look, I know some of you are super crafty, and I know you can probably make them for cheaper than getting two in that bag. But I really think to shortcut your party decorations, this is one of the places that I do it. I buy the pom-poms all ready to go. It makes it super simple. And these pom-poms are a big impact for not a lot of money. It's funny because when I was putting together the script and I was thinking about what I wanted to share with you, these pom-poms came up and I remember, and maybe you're old enough to remember too, back in the day when people used to make pom-poms and put them on their cars for weddings. Do you guys remember that? I'd love to know in the comments who else remembers that. I just think it's so fun and maybe we need to bring that back. Party streamers are a little bit underrated. They are super fun for a kid's birthday. They are great for a graduation or a backyard barbecue, but there's so many clever ways that you can use streamers, including making your own photo wall. So let me show you how I did this. So I'm going to set that up right here behind the bar cart because that's simple enough for us to move out to take our photos. And it looked pretty easy. I got the idea from Chelsea over at Lovely Indeed. She made a backdrop using streamers, and now I'm going to try doing that right now. The next time you're at Dollar Tree and you need some party decorations, or maybe you want to create your own unique photo wall, have a look at their streamer section. Whenever I want to add a little bit of color, maybe something a little bit different, I take a look down Dollar Tree's paper napkin aisle. Yes, they have lots of colors to choose from, but sometimes they have some like really neat options for you to take a look at. I especially like their rectangular shaped napkins because I think there's something a little bit different. And so many times when I use like rectangular shaped napkins, people are like, "Where did you get these?" And then I say Dollar Tree, and they're like, "Really?" Yeah. So think about maybe taking a look at Dollar Tree's napkin offering and see if there isn't something really cool that you can use for your next party, because I bet there is. This next one seems obvious, but I'm going to say there's a little twist here, and that is gift bags and wrapping paper. Yes, for the obvious wrapping gifts, but I also like to check out their wrapping paper and their gift bags because I use that for home decor. So at Christmas time, you can see here, I used a gift bag and created some art for my kitchen. I did the same for Valentine's Day where I used the wrapping paper to create some art for us. So don't discount looking at that wrapping paper with new eyes and seeing where maybe you can use that for some decor. So now before I show you the dessert that we're gonna make in those cups, I wanna talk about the things that I don't buy at Dollar Tree. With these recent price increases, I feel like plastic cups are not a bargain at Dollar Tree. They are expensive and it's a small pack, and you can do far better buying your plastic cups for an event at Costco or Sam's Club or Walmart. That's way better. So I feel like any of the plastic beverage stuff, not a good bargain at Dollar Tree. Okay, so we've gone through the 10 things to buy, and now let's get to doing something fun. Let me show you how to make this really quick and easy dessert using all Dollar Tree items. I'm going to start by grabbing a chocolate cake mix and then some cherry pie filling, some chocolate pudding, and a few sprinkles. I'm going to start by making the cake following the directions on the box. And then once the cake has been baked and cooled, I'm going to cut it into some small pieces. Now, this is the only thing you can't get at Dollar Tree, and that is whipping cream. 1 cup of whipping cream. And once we whip that for a little bit, then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar and about a half teaspoon of vanilla and continue to whip it until it's got a real thick consistency. Next, we're going to make the chocolate pudding, again, according to the package directions. And now that everything's ready to go, the next step is to just assemble our Black Forest dessert. I'm going to start with some chocolate cake on the bottom. And then to make it easier to put the pudding in the cup, I'm using an icing bag. Next up, we've got some cherry pie filling, some more cake, our whipped cream, and of course, some sprinkles. These look so good. So there you have it, my list of Dollar Tree party must-haves. And I'm curious, what's on your list? What are you buying at Dollar Tree? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already done so, please take a second to like and subscribe. That means so much to me. I'm really trying to get to 2,500 subscribers, and I'm so close. So every like, every subscribe helps me tremendously. And remember, hosting is less about perfection and more about connection. Happy hosting! Woo! What to buy at Dollar Tree that is Dollar Tree? That's a whole different place. Try it again, Mark. Buy at Dollar Tree. Stop laughing. Every time I say Dollar Tree, it's going to be Dollar Tree. And you're wondering what to... You're making it so bad. Okay, I'm gonna... This is it. This is going to be the take. If you're... See you laughing on the camera, you ding dong. What to buy? I'm gonna punch you in the face.